Okay, here we go. Good morning, everyone. I just thought I'd take time and show you how I start each and every day with my keto fuel. Let's see, can you see it there? There you go. Oh, it's backwards. Well, it's the fuel pack. And what I do is I put that into this little blender that I have, like so. And then all you do is add about 1.5 cups of water. I just guesstimate, it's no big deal. I've never been one for measuring exactly. So, and then I put it, this is a neat little blender. I got it, Sam's. It's really cool. Ninja. Anyway, I let that go for about 20 seconds or so. It seems to take about that long in order to really get the powder mixed up real good. And this stuff is awesome. It tastes so great. Wasn't even dry at the time. That sounds good. Look. So anyway, then I pour it into a cup or something. I don't have the normal size cup I use, so I'm using this big mug today. Well, you just pour it in, drink it down, and I also take this organic turmeric and my organic ginger capsules. And I'll tell you what, they make me feel really awesome. So anyway, that's all there is to it. Takes you less than a minute to make. And it tastes really good. Here, see? It's good. It's vanilla flavor. But anyway, you guys have a great day. And hopefully I'll see you online in a little bit. But right now I'm taking care of me. So God bless. Talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, and how many of you are doing your keto every morning? Let me know in the comments. Talk to you later. Bye for now.